फैशन और स्टाइलिंग एक ऐसी चीज है जो वाकई में वक्त के साथ साथ बदलती हुई, ट्रांसफॉर्म होती हुई नजर आती है। हर इंसान की एक बहुत ही अलग फैशन एंड स्टाइलिंग सेंस है, एक बहुत ही अलग टेक है ऑन द फैक्ट ऑफ कि स्टाइलिंग क्या होती है। जहाँ एक तरफ कलाकार नजर आते हैं एक बहुत ही सिंपल एक व्हाइट शर्ट को भी ट्रेंडी तरीके से पहनते और फ्लॉन्ट करते हुए, वहीं दूसरी ओर हमारी ऑडियंस नजर आती है अपने नामचीन कलाकारों को फॉलो करती हुई, उनकी स्टाइल ट्रेंड पर नजर रखती हुई और उसके हिसाब से आगे बढ़ती हुई। फैशन इज अ वेरी डायनामिक कॉन्सेप्ट दैट एक्चुअली enables an individual from different cultures, religion, geographical locations, or even gender to actually experiment with the different styling of clothing, a daily, a monthly, or anything for that point of time, अपने स्टाइल सेंस को और भी ज्यादा ट्रांसफॉर्म करने के लिए। आपको बता देते हैं, apart from making garments looking appealing, fashion plays an integral part in increasing its efficiency in terms of both style and comfort. हमारे कलाकार ढूंढते हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टाइल और कंफर्ट, रादर ये कहना सही होगा कि वो कंफर्ट ढूंढते हैं ओवर द स्टाइलिंग सेंस ऑल्सो। वो करते हैं कोशिश इन दोनों एलिमेंट्स को एक दूसरे के साथ हैंड इन हैंड लेकर जाने के लिए। लास्ट अली चक्र के स्टाइलोमीटर में हम आपके साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं हमारी नामचीन अदाकारों की फ्लॉन्ट की गई एलिगेंट धोती पैंट लुक्स। और आप हमारे साथ जरूर शेयर करिएगा कि कौन सी है वो एक्ट्रेस जिसकी धोती पैंट लुक ने वाकई में आपको किया इंस्पायर, जिसको आप करना चाहेंगे आने वाले वक्त में कभी ना कभी किसी ना किसी तरीके से अपनी फैशन स्टाइलिंग सेंस में इंक्लूड एंड ऑल्सो करेंगे उसको अपने तरीके से ट्रांसफॉर्म। वी हैव विटनेस्ड द लीनियंसी एंड एक्सेप्टेंस gains momentum with the passing time, and when it comes to fashion, revolution is something that has been witnessed over the passing time. जहाँ एक तरफ the ladies have actually got a lot of handful of options to actually try their hands over accessories and their different attires, वहीं दूसरी तरफ men garments also have a lot of varieties, like the formal wears have shirt, trousers, suit, blazers, tie, tuxedo, etc. Whereas on the other hand, headgears have various options like turban, caps, beanie, etc. And also gym wear, dhoti wear with a twist, and a lot more. Talking about women's dhoti, they are not really the authentic draped dhotis endorsed by the men, rather are simpler stitched pant versions of the same garment looks with but a loosened fabric to it. These pants are extremely comfortable to wear in the summer month as they are airy and light, and unlike the skin hugging leggings or slim pants which cause a heat to actually radiate a lot more from the body. धोती pants वाकई में एक ऐसा अटायर है जो आपको समर्स में बहुत ही कूल एंड एयरी फील करवाता है और आपके कंफर्ट लेवल को एक नॉच हायर ले जाता है। Well, these are supported by lace or elastic bands at the waist and are loose by the thighs up to the ankle, where it tightens up to give you an entire dhoti look. Well, honestly, these can actually be referred to as dhoti pants and are quite trendy and in fashion. Let's begin up with tele celebrities like Hina Khan, Neeti Taylor, Sargun Mehta, Pooja Banerjee, Gauhar Khan, Amna Sharif, Ashnoor Kaur, Avneet Kaur and many others, जिन्होंने अपनी स्टाइलिंग सेंस को एनहांस किया और फैंस और ऑडियंस के सामने अपनी धोती पैंट लुक्स को ट्रांसफॉर्म करके लेकर आई हैं। While beginning up with Hina Khan, well, the gorgeous beauty या ये कहें तो तूफानी सीनियर is seen endorsing a semi-ethnic fashion look out here, जहाँ पे वो बहुत ही अलग अंदाज में इस धोती पैंट को अपने स्काई ब्लू कलर के बलून टॉप के साथ फ्लॉन्ट करती हुई व्हाइट धोती पैंट को और भी खूबसूरती से दिखाती हुई नजर आई हैं। Well, the next one being the bubbly queen who recently got married, Neeti Taylor, who actually is seen infusing the western fusion looks on point in the turquoise crop top dhoti pant emblem teamed with a multicolor long shrug. और ये कहना सच होगा that this look indeed is quite the casual one and also the traditional one, only if combined with the perfect earrings and the ornaments to it. The next one on the list being our very own Punjab di kudi yani ki Sargun Mehta. Well, in case of a family event, a puja or someone's very decent wedding, a low intimate affair, one can simply wear ethically what Sargun is wearing in this picture. Well, her dhoti pant look is entirely a complete combination of what you can actually flaunt when you are actually attending an afternoon wedding or maybe a late night wedding, but in a very intimate manner. Well, the next one being our very own Kasauti Zindagi की या फिर ये कहें कुमकुम भाग्य की कलाकार Pooja Banerjee. Well, her ethnic ensemble looks like a picnic or any other summer outing outfit that you can actually try if you're planning a very cozy and a very nice outing with your friends and your family. Well, for attending a marriage party, one can slip into the royal mid-anarkali dhoti pant that has been flaunted by our very own Tufani senior Gauhar Khan. जी हाँ दोस्तों, गौहर ने इस तस्वीर में अपने आप को ये बात साबित करी है कि वाकई में she is the epitome of beauty and also styling sense. The next one being the TV जगत की कमालिका यानी कि आमना शरीफ. आपको बता देते हैं कि आमना इस तस्वीर में is seen actually slaying the dhoti pant ensemble look, again which looks fit for a family event or a related occasion. Well, the only thing is that Amna actually has combined and has made the look all the more stunning because of the traditional earrings that she's flaunting. And even if you have a function, the only difference is that Amna might have had a little lighter version of traditional earrings that she's wearing. You can actually combine it with the heavy ornaments only to enhance the look a notch higher. The next one being our very own Ashnur Khan, who's actually slaying the all peachy emblem dhoti pant look, giving us major Eid vibes. While people across the cultures can endorse this garment the way they really want with their own personal touch to it. The next one, yet again, youth sensation Avneet Kaur, who's actually seen flaunting the Jasmine style dhoti pants yet once again. Well, this also looks fine for a date's outing. Who said that you really need a dress or maybe a nice shorts or a skirt combined with a crop top to actually ace your dating look, or maybe a perfect date night? A dhoti pant styled in the best way possible can actually serve the purpose quite well to it. Well, the next one being Crystal D'Souza, who looks charismatic in a pair of golden dhoti pant that's well paired with a black cropped blouse and a red dupatta to attend a royal wedding ceremony, but with a twisted outfit emblem. The next one being Snaya Irani slaying a summer look in those polka printed dhoti pants. Her emblem looks completely refreshing and is a must try for all the people out there. Last but not the least, Karishma's all white emblem in a crop top and a dhoti pant that's paired with a fancy neon long shrug is giving us major vacation vibes amid the ongoing pandemic chaos out here. This looks perfectly complements a beachy getaway, and ये कहना सही है that ये देखकर वाकई में a lot of fans out there would want to take the beach vacations but with the dhoti pant का twist to it. Well, ये तो थी हमारी टॉप कलाकार जिन्होंने की फ्लॉन्ट अपनी धोती पैंट लुक्स। आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में ये बताना ना भूलिएगा कि इन सारी खूबसूरत अदाकाराओं की टॉप लुक्स में से आप किसकी लुक को ट्राई करना चाहेंगे। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.